What if I told you there is a place on Earth where it has not rained for over 2 million years? Welcome to the Atacama Desert in Chile, the driest place on our planet. Some parts of this desert are so dry that scientists use it to simulate life on Mars. In fact, NASA even tested their Mars rovers here before sending them into space. The ground is so barren, not even bacteria survive in some spots. And here is the craziest part. Even without rainfall, people still live here and grow food using just mist from the air. Unbelievable, right? But it is 100% true.